What's happening, guys? This is going to be a quick 2-minute fix for this little car drawing that I have here. So this is the car that I've done. It's a very boxy one with these X for wheels. So let's see what we can do to make this look a lot better. So I'm going to bring some lines going up across, just like so, and then I'm just going to join them up. Then let's add some lights on it with a grille. And let's add a bumper. Let's do some wheel arches just on here. And let's draw that window in. Like so. With this other window, let's do a little spoiler. Like that. Then let's draw these wheels again. So instead of doing the X's in the center, I'm just going to follow the same line as I did for the car. So the line angle is going up like that. So for the same for this wheel. And then I'm just going to curl it up like that. And let's mimic this the same on the other side. So let's bring this curve down and bring this up. Now instead of doing an X for the center of the wheel, I'm just going to do some thicker tread and just colour this in black. This is quite a thick marker I'm using, so if you want to do this in pencil, you can do a lot finer than what I'm doing. Just like so, and just a touch of shading just in this bottom edge. Maybe a little dash there, maybe a little bit in the window, maybe underneath the spoiler. Okay, that's been my 2-minute fix today, guys. I hope this helps. See you later.